Always trust your analysis. I have learned the lesson the hard way. Actually, my friends, I have sent here last Sunday a signal to buy the gold from 2320, and actually I have sent an update on my Telegram informing my followers to close it in loss of 35 pips once the market rise again to make a retest. Of course, I have fallen to my emotions. The pressure got into me. I know that there is a lot of people who are actually trusting my analysis on the gold, and I really couldn't focus on my trades that day. I was so much worried about it, and in the end I realized that it's impossible to be 100% correct every single day. Some days, of course, our analysis might not go right, and I should have actually accepted that instead of being so much worried about what people thinks about me. So I have learned my lesson the hard way. From now on, I will be careful when I'm sending these updates. And as you can see now, right now the gold is indeed rising as I have predicted, so far running in about 130 pips. So from my point of view, the gold will continue the rise. But before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video and leave a comment if you wish to. So right now, let's see what we can do next with the gold, and that is of course gonna be our deal of the day. So our analysis was correct, thankfully, I think so. And so far the gold seems like it's gonna continue the rise. So far, actually, my friends, the gold has actually made a strong bullish breakout from that level of a previous support, indeed at 2320, and so far it seems like it's gonna continue the rise at least to reach the highest level of a key resistance right here at 2352, which means the gold still has about 200 pips more to go. So what we can do next with the gold, let me just show you something. If we switch right now to the 1 hour time frame, what we can see right here is a very clear triangle, and allow me please to share it with you right here exactly. Now if I zoom out like that, let me just complete it like this, and right now we have here of course the triangle, which seems like the gold is indeed going to continue the rise till it reaches the edge of that resistance trend line. The reversal from that support trend line has already happened 3 times, actually even 4 times to be frankly speaking. 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts of support trend line supporting the gold to continue the rise. Now the gold most likely is going to continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a resistance trend line, which means if we look at the left side, however, now we can notice that the gold indeed gonna continue the rise to reach the highest level of a key resistance right here exactly at 2352, which means again the gold still has about 178 pips more to go. But of course we are going to buy the gold sooner than that. You know what? I would like to analyze it on a clear chart. So this is of course a clear chart. Let's check it again. Draw the same resistance trend line. So of course we can see it clearly right now. That's even better. Now what we will do next is simply apply the Fibonacci retracement from this lower high to this lower low, just like that. Now as you can see, the gold, my friends, has indeed respected Fibonacci 38.2. And by looking at the left side right now, if we draw here a horizontal line, now we can notice that the gold indeed respecting the strong key level of a support right here. And let me just now zoom in to show you the price action, because we have here of course a lot of fake breakouts. Right now we have here a real level of a resistance, real level, and again fake breakout, fake breakout, fake breakout. But again we had many attempts of a real support levels here. That, my friends, cannot be just simply ignored. Now we can see that the gold is rising. Look at that. The gold is actually showing a strong bullish movement. So right now what we can do right now is wait for the gold to make a pullback, since we're actually here on a resistance zone. What we are hoping for is a pullback to happen, and then the gold most likely is going to fall again to make a second support, or actually a second retest at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Afterward, the gold will continue the rise, and that, my friends, is going to be our take profit level, and that will be here our entry. And that's, in my opinion, gonna be a good deal of the day. So therefore our entry is gonna be at 2325. However, the take profit level will be, let me just zoom out so I can see it. The take profit level, my friends, is gonna be right here exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, which is gonna be at 2348, which means we can look up for around 235 pips of profit. Now for the safe zone, as we can see right here, if we look carefully, we have right here a support zone, and that is going to be actually our safe zone, as we can see. So therefore that will be right here exactly our safe zone. We are not actually expecting from the gold to fall below that level of a key support as well. So that's going to be the reversal point, and that's going to be our take profit level. We are hoping that the gold will reach Fibonacci 61.8 sooner today. Yesterday, of course, the gold was moving very slow because USD banks were actually on holiday and the dollar was actually in very low volatility. So therefore, take profit level is going to be 2340. Oops, one second, my friends. Take profit level is going to be at 2349. However, the buy order is going to be exactly at 2325. And that will be hopefully our good deal for the day, and hopefully it's going to be profitable for everyone. So again, my friends, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I'm totally aware that this signal or this update here has failed, but thankfully the other updates were actually very, very quite helpful. This one might not really the best example, but we have actually a lot of examples I can show later where actually have shown you where the reversal has occurred, and I have actually informed everybody to close the trade in a small loss before it faced a very big massive loss. So again, make sure to join this free group of Telegram. You can find the link right here, as you can see, Extreme Trader Signals. But I highly recommend you guys to check the description below of this video to find the direct link to join the group. Why? Because there are actually a lot of scammers who have been using Extreme Trader name and logo, and they actually have victims already. They are pretending to be a broker, and they are actually asking the members to deposit money to trade it. Of course, we have nothing to do with that. That is not Extreme Trader at all. We are not a broker. We are only a forex signal provider. Those actually scammers pretending to be a broker under the name of Extreme Trader, and almost every day we receive complaints from the victims who have believing that they are Extreme Trader, when we have, of course, to explain to them that we are not them. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching. This signal seems like it's going to be activated very soon, so let me just now upload the video immediately.